Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to download songs from YouTube. For that, open your YouTube on the browser and click on the account which is on the right corner of your screen. Then select YouTube Studios and on the left corner, you will see audio library. Go through it. Then search for the music types by clicking on search or filter library and then select whichever type of music you want to download. You can also set the duration by clicking the same icon and giving the duration. Hit on apply and select the music. You have to hover over the music and on the right side you will see download. Click on the download and your song will be downloaded in your device. So this is a very easy step to download songs from YouTube. Thank you for watching.